Hello, everyone. Today, in our project, we will be building a model to predict the electrical energy output of a combined cycle power plant, which uses a combination of gas turbines, steam turbines, and heat recovery steam generators to generate power. Now, we have 9,568 recordings of hourly average ambient environmental readings from all the sensors at the power plant, which we'll use in our models. Some of these metrics are temperatures, ambient pressures, relative humidity, exhaust vacuum, and the net hourly electrical energy output, or PE, which is the target value that we are trying to predict. The dataset is available for download on the website of Coursera, and which is what I'm importing as a data frame right here. Just doing some basic data checks. Looks like we have all the rows we need and all of them are non-null values. And when we look at the description, it seems like all these min and max values align with the values stated here. And then looking at the correlation uh, visualization of this data set, you can clearly see that the PE value is strongly negatively correlated with the AT and AV value, which are the temperature and the exhaust vacuum values, and they're moderately positively related with the ambient pressure and the relative humidity value. Uh, Looking at the same graphs visually, you can clearly see a linear relation here between P and AT with strong relation, but not as strong as the AT here. And then there's some correlation with the AP and RH as well, but not as clear as you can see in the AT value. Now, for this demonstration, we'll be using data frame 4, where I am using all of those 4 metrics for the test and training purposes. So here I have defined the target variable as PE, and I'm importing all the sklearn libraries that I would need for this demo. And I'm using DF4 with 80% training dataset and 20% test dataset split. So we have loaded that data or split the data here, and then running a linear regression model on this dataset, you can see that the R squared value was 0.93. So this model is a 93% fit for on this prediction for these predictions, and the root mean squared error is 4.4 and mean absolute error is roughly 3.56. When I try to fit the data set on other models or train the data set from other models, like decision tree regressor, you can see that the R squared value is somewhat less than the linear regression model. The R squared value here is 92.92 with root mean squared error of 4.77 and mean absolute error of 3.12. Mean absolute error is a little less than the linear regression model, but the root mean squared error is a little higher. And finally, I tried random forest regressor model, which had the best fit overall with R squared value of 0.96, root mean squared error value of 3.19, and mean absolute error value of 2.348, which is the best out of all the 3 models that we have tried here. So for predicting the value of this PE variable, I would suggest using random forest regressor as it had the best performance out of the 3 models. And yep, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching my demo.